We'll guide you through how to use PowerToys to set shortcut for image to text. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a faster way to copy text from images without typing everything manually. Start by checking your computer's main desktop screen and make sure everything is fully loaded before opening any applications. Look around the desktop carefully until you find the PowerToys shortcut icon. Once you locate it, move your mouse cursor directly over the shortcut and double-click the left mouse button to open the program. After a moment, the main PowerToys window will appear on your screen. Wait a few seconds while PowerToys completely loads all of its features and settings. When the loading process finishes, you will see the PowerToys dashboard displayed clearly on the screen. Scroll down on the right side of the home page until you find the text extractor option. You can also move to the left side panel and hover your mouse over the System Tools category. Click the small downward arrow icon beside it to expand the section. A drop-down list containing several available features will appear immediately. From that list, select Text Extractor to continue. The Text Extractor settings page will then open automatically. At the top of the page, locate the Enable Text Extractor toggle and click it so the feature becomes active. Remember that Text Extractor only works with languages that already have the OCR pack installed on your computer. You may also customize the activation shortcut to any key combination you prefer, such as Ctrl+Shift+T. After changing the shortcut, press Save to close the pop-up window. Next, choose the language you want the feature to recognize. Once everything has been configured, test the feature using some text. In this example, the feature is tested on an image. Press the activation shortcut, and your screen will slightly darken. At the top of the screen, several selectable options will appear. Drag the plus-shaped cursor across the text you want to capture from the image. The extracted text will automatically copy to your clipboard, so you can paste it anywhere immediately.